So anyway, I decided to bring it downstairs, and just so you guys know, these things you have to remove, by the way. That's the two things you got to remove. And then we want to just make sure that we've got, yeah, okay, we got everything ready to go. Now, this is our transformer. We have plugged it into this charging station. It has a lot of cord that you can use, but it works pretty good if you got a nice flat surface. So I'm just going to plug her in here. Just like that. And I'm going to pop this up. And then this, you can see the two contacts. I'm just going to bring them over, push it into it.
Charging.
And now it'll tell you that it's charging. And if you look right here, you're going to see it's pulsating. So we're just going to let it charge up, and then we'll give it a try and see how it works. All right, that's basically how you set up your Roomba.